Hi friends, Namaskar. While working in organization, I am going to talk on the talent versus practical talent. So that is the topic. While working in the organization, it is seen that on the basis of the IQ, person is selected based upon knowledge, book knowledge, and little bit out of the experience. Whatever you have gathered, that is in short called talent. You are having it. You start working based upon that talent, means knowledge and experience. And by virtue of bless, Almighty bless, IQ is high, then that plays also a good role. That you are able to understand the work properly and discharge in the right direction. Now you may be seeing that working alone in aloof is not called working, because you are working with the team. So you have to understand the team spirit also, team cooperation also, and problem solving tendency in you. These are the few things which are in and around like a shadow always with you. You expect from the people, people expect from the you. People means team, your organization. So people, whatever they have been assigned with, they will discharge their duties. But they are non-cooperative sometimes. They are not the caring people to their peers, subordinates. Practical talent says that you should take care of these things also while working, while in the organization. Then you will be recognized, you will be valued by the team of the people. Sometimes you have to share your knowledge with your peers, with your down the line subordinate, and you have to help them. And these knowledge comes as you grow in your life. You might have come across with kind of the talent, IQ, intelligence quotient, EQ, emotional quotient, SQ, social quotient, SQ again, spiritual quotient. And one more quotient I came to know, that is the adversity quotient. Adversity quotient is new for you also. In the adverse situation, when your life is swimming in the adverse, the situation which is opposite to you and your desire, that is called adverse situation. Whatever you want to do, the way you start, you will fail. And such a way, you get bugged up. Your mind gets choked up. What to do? And what not to do? At even all these at the workplace. And then you say, you start thinking that yes, there is one quotient, that is the AQ, adversity quotient. So what is the adversity quotient? It has been decided, declared, written, available in the market with the people, that how to perform an adversity quotient, using to adversity quotient. Calm, quiet, Shraddha, Saburi, patience, look for time, look for opportunity, how it is coming to you. All these things you amalgamate and start putting the manthan. Then you will come to know that when the adversity quotient has to be used, then these kind of the ingredients should be kept in the knowledge. ठीक है भाई, काम बिगड़ रहा है, धैर्य रखो. श्रद्धा और सबुरी मैंने कहा, which is part of the SQ also, spiritual quotient also. Our ancestors, our forefathers has always counseled us that when you are not getting the way out, leave the way going to superpower. That superpower, that God, that Almighty will work out some way out. So only working, only having high IQ, talent, IQ everyone is blessed with. Only having high IQ may not be a good and favorable person. You need to have the combination of IQ, EQ, SQ and spiritual quotient based upon your personal growth. So when you are taking care of all these quotient, 5 quotient, and working together, then it enhanced, it talks about your practical talent. व्यवहारिक बुद्धिमत्ता, एक होती है IQ बुद्धिमत्ता, जिसके आधार पर हम एक मिनिमम बेयर काम को कर लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं. लेकिन व्यवहारिक दृष्टिकोण से प्रैक्टिकल टैलेंट क्या होता है? किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास IQ तो है, लेकिन उसमें EQ और SQ की कितनी परसेंटेज होनी चाहिए ताकि मोस्ट पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट हमारे सामने आए. जब उसको हम मिक्स कर देते हैं, उसको भी कंसीडर करके काम करते हैं, तो कहा जाता है कि इस इंसान के पास टैलेंट तो है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल टैलेंट भी बहुत है. अन्यथा यही कहा जाता है कि बॉस बुक नॉलेज से आपका काम नहीं चलेगा. मतलब IQ रख करके, बुक नॉलेज रख के आपको नहीं चलेगा. आपको दृष्टिकोण अपनाना पड़ेगा कि करना चाहिए। एक बहुत छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल, बहुत ही छोटा एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने अपने लाइफ में भी किया है। IQ says that if leave is balanced, then you approve the leave. Person will go on leave. If leave is not balanced, then person is coming to you and he's saying, साहब हमारे फादर का एक्सीडेंट हो गया and he is hospitalized. My wife is admitted for delivery. Sir, either it is balanced or not balanced, but you give me the leave. What you will do? Will you keep on uttering, no, 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 leave is not balanced, policy says, book says, SAP and Establishment Act says, Factory Act says that when leave is not balanced, then leave should not be given? No. These are written in the different circumstances and you are working in the social circumstances. In the present scenario is that his father met accident, you have to work out some leave. And most practical person you will be if you work out a leave with wage. Though leave is not available, but leave with wage you work out. There is way out. I will speak in another video. And then you see how that person respects you, blessed you. And doing so, there is no harm to management, there is no harm to team of people, but there is help to that person because of your practical talent, because of your practical problem solving ability. Thank you very much. In this video, this much allows me to talk, rest in the other video. Thank you. Take care of yourself.